Hello students, let's start with DDA algorithm example. So, the first point of DDA algorithm is input two line endpoints A and B. So, here is our two line endpoints. A is x is 10 and y is 10, and for B x is 16 and y is 15. So, this is our point A, where value of x coordinate is 10 and value of y coordinate is 10. And this is our B coordinate, where value of x coordinate is 16 and value of y coordinate is 15. X 16 and y is 15. Now, to draw a line between two endpoints, we need to find all the intermediate points. So, for that we will use DDA algorithm. Now, second step of DDA algorithm is to calculate delta x and delta y. Delta x is xb minus xa, or delta y is yb minus ya. Here xa and ya are starting point and xb and yb are ending point. So, let's calculate delta x and delta y. Delta x equals to xb minus xa, that is 16 minus 10. So, value of delta x is 6 and delta y is yb minus ya, that is 15 minus 10. So, value of delta y is 5. Now, what is the third step? Third step is we need to check whether delta x is greater or delta y is greater. Here absolute means the value of delta x and delta y will be positive. So, if delta x is greater than delta y, then value of steps will be delta x. Or if delta y is greater than delta x, then value of step will be delta y. Here, what is the meaning of steps? As I said in the first point, step is all value of all the intermediate points which we need to calculate to draw a line. So, in this example, as delta x is greater than delta y, because delta x is 6 and delta y is 5. So, value of steps will be delta x. That means we have to find total 6 intermediate points between these 2 points. Between A and B, we need to calculate another 6 points to draw a line using DDA algorithm. Now, fourth step. So, what is the fourth step? We need to calculate x increment and y increment. Value of x increment is delta x upon step and y increment is delta y upon steps. Now, in this example, x increment, which is delta x upon step, so it will be equal to 6 upon 6, which is 1, and y increment is delta y upon step, which is equals to 5 upon 6, because value of delta y is 5 while value of step is 6. So 5 upon 6, which is 0.8 something, so that is almost equals to 0. Now next step is plot first point using this syntax: set pixel xa, ya and 1. This will be used when we write a program. So I am skipping this point for now. Now what is the next step is find the value of new x and y, which is x plus x increment and old y plus y increment. So in this case, x new will be xa plus x increment. That is, now what is the value of xa? Value of xa is 10. 10 plus what is the value of x increment? We will get it from here, step 4. Value of x increment we got as 1. So 10 plus 1, that is 11. Y new equals to y a plus y increment. Now what is the value of y a? Value of y a is 10. So that is equals to 10 plus y increment. Y increment is 0. 10 plus 0, which is equals to 10. So our new points will be 11 and 10, x 11 and y 10, x 11 y 10, while our end point will remain the same. So our value of a will become 11 and 10, which was 10 and 10 before. Now value of b will be same, that is 16 and 15. Now we need to find still 5 more points, as from the value of steps we know that we need to calculate 6 points. From this we already calculated 1 point, that is 11 and 10. So which will be this point? If we look at on the graph, here will be 11. So 11 and 10, this point. Now we need to calculate 5 more points to complete the line. So we need to follow all these steps again with our new points, that is a equals to 11, 10 and b equals to 16 and 15. So what was our first point? Get 2 line points, starting point and ending points. So we already found it, that a is 11 and 10 and b is 16 and 15. Now what was the second point? Second point was to calculate delta x and delta y. Delta x is x b minus x a, that is 16 minus 11, that is 5. Delta y is yb minus ya, that is 15 minus 10, that is again 5. Now third step was to find whether delta x is greater or delta y. In this case delta x is greater than equals to delta y. because delta x is 5 and delta y is again 5. So, value of steps will be 5. Now, fourth step, we need to find value of x increment and value of y increment. Value of x increment is delta x upon steps and value of y increment is delta y upon steps, which is 5. Delta x is 5 and steps is again 5. 5 upon 5, that is 1. Now, same for y increment, that is x. Next, we need to find x new, that is x old plus x increment, and y new, that is y old plus y increment. So, what is the value of our x? 11. So, that will be 11 plus 1, as x increment is 1, that is 12, and for y new, y old plus y increment, that is 10. This is x, this is y. So, 10 plus 1, that is 11. So, our new point will be, new A point will be 12 and 11, and B will be 16 and 15. So, we calculated our second point here, 12 and 11. Now we need to calculate 3 more steps. So, following the same procedure. Now, with the same procedures, our new points will be our third point will be A equals to 13 and Y equals to 12, and B will remain the same. Fourth point will be A equals to 14, Y equals to 13, and B will remain the same, 16 and 15. And our last fifth point that we will get is A is 15, Y is 14, and B X 16, Y 15. So these are the 5 points that we will get. Now, we will make a final table which will tell the value of all the intermediate points. So, for the starting, our value of x and y, which was 10 and 10. Second, we got value of x as 11 and value of y as 10. Now, third point, we found that x will be 12 and y will be 11. Fourth, x 13, y 12. Fifth point, x 14, y 13. Sixth point, x 15, y 14. And last point, x is 16 and y is 15. This is our point B and this is our original point A, and we calculated all these intermediate points using DDA algorithm. So I hope the concepts of how to draw a line using DDA algorithm is clear. If you have any query, please feel free to message me. Thank you.